Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. In this video, we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on the Alfa Laval DuraCirc pump using our tools and service kit with genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. How to disassemble the wet end. First, mark the orientation of the front cover. Remove the rotor case cover nuts and cover. Remove the front cover P-ring. Now, mark the positions of the rotors. Insert a plastic block between the two rotors to prevent them from turning. Remove the rotor nuts. Make sure the rotors are perpendicular to each other. First, remove the rotor that has both wings exposed. Now remove the other rotor. Remove the rotor nut P-rings. Then remove the rotor shaft O-rings. How to assemble the wet end. Lightly lubricate and fit the new rotor shaft O-rings. Refit the rotors, aligning the missing spline in the rotor with the shafts. Reposition the rotors using the marks made during disassembly when refitting existing components. Lubricate and fit a new P-ring elastomer to the rotor case, ensuring the colored mark faces towards the rotor case and is fully seated in the groove. Lightly lubricate and fit the new P-ring elastomer into the groove on the rotor nuts, ensuring the correct orientation. Fit the rotor nuts and tighten them to the required torque as stated in the instruction manual. Use a plastic block to stop the rotors from turning during tightening. To check that the rotors are correctly synchronized, turn the drive shaft by hand and check all clearances with a suitable gauge to make sure they meet the recommended clearance figures as stated in the instruction manual. Finally, fit the cover of the rotor case onto rotor case and tighten the nuts on the rotor case cover. Apply torque as stated in the instruction manual. To maintain the Alfa Laval DuraCirc pump, these tools are required. Always remember to read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure you cover all maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. When servicing Alfa Laval equipment, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Thank you for watching.